New Horizon Aircraft, the developer of one of the world's first hybrid electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft, has announced that its management team will participate in several conferences in September. The conferences include the Gabelli Aerospace and Defense Symposium, the Deutsche Bank Aviation Forum, the H.C. Wainwright Global Investment Conference, and the Rare Earth Mines, Magnets, and Motors 2025 conference. At the Gabelli Aerospace and Defense Symposium, New Horizon Aircraft's management team will participate in a fireside chat at 7:45 a.m. ET on September 4th, as well as one-on-one investor meetings. The conference will take place in New York City at the Harvard Club. Investors can register for access to the live fireside chat webcast online too. Another one-on-one investor meeting will take place at the Deutsche Bank Aviation Forum on September 4th, in New York City. This conference brings together airlines, lessors, and manufacturers to discuss the latest trends and developments in the aviation industry. New Horizon Aircraft will also participate in one-on-one investor meetings at the H.C. Wainwright Global Investment Conference, which will take place from September 8th to 10th at the LODE New York Palace Hotel in New York City. This conference provides a platform for companies to connect with investors and showcase their growth potential. Additionally, the company will participate in a panel discussion and have an exhibit booth with its large-scale prototype on display at the Rare Earth Mines, Magnets, and Motors 2025 conference on September 23rd to 24th in Toronto. This conference focuses on the latest developments in rare earth mines, magnets, and motors, and provides an opportunity for New Horizon Aircraft to showcase its innovative aircraft technology. At the same time, Opendoor Technologies will continue undergoing a transformation, shifting from a single-product iBuyer to a distributed platform that empowers agents to deliver its offerings directly to sellers. This new model introduces multiple selling paths, including a cash offer, a traditional listing, and a hybrid cash-plus option. According to the company, early pilots of this platform have shown promising results, with twice as many customers reaching a final underwritten cash offer compared to the traditional funnel, and listing conversion rates that are 5 times higher. The platform approach is designed to benefit all parties involved, with sellers gaining flexibility, agents earning commissions, and Opendoor monetizing more leads while focusing on capital-light, high-margin revenue streams. To support this new model, Opendoor has developed a key agent iOS app that allows for in-home assessments, enriching pricing intelligence, and reinforcing trust with sellers. The Cash Plus option is a key component of this platform, providing immediate liquidity to homeowners while reducing Opendoor's capital exposure. While Opendoor is optimistic about the potential of its new platform, it acknowledges that it faces macro headwinds and seasonality that may pressure volumes in the near term. However, management believes that the platform has the potential to drive long-term growth and scale the business model. By positioning the platform as a flywheel for growth, Opendoor aims to leverage its new approach to achieve sustained success in the real estate market. Then Faraday Future has appointed George Lee, a veteran automotive supply chain management leader, as the head of both the FF and FX Global Supply Chain Group. In this role, Lee will be responsible for overseeing the overall supply chain function at FF and FX, working closely with regional and functional teams to strengthen supplier partnerships, enhance operational resilience, and drive efficiency across the value chain. Lee brings a wealth of experience and proven leadership in the automotive industry, having held senior supply chain leadership roles at several prominent companies, including Dreamer Technology, NIO, Li Auto, Faurecia, Magna, and Delphi. His extensive experience in managing supply chain operations, supplier partnerships, and large-scale procurement strategies will be invaluable in further developing FF's supplier ecosystem in China and globally. Lee's experience at Li Auto and NIO will be particularly valuable in this regard. In addition to his role as head of global supply chain, Lee will also serve as FF China's Chief Strategic Cooperation and Business Growth Officer, CSGO, working closely with regional and functional teams to lead cooperation between FF and its strategic partners in China. This role will help further strengthen and stabilize FF's bridge strategy, which aims to bridge the gap between the Chinese and U.S. automotive markets. According to Max Ma, global CEO of FX, Lee's arrival reflects his strong confidence in FX's global automotive industry bridge strategy and its future potential. Ma believes that Lee's addition will significantly elevate and positively impact both the FF and FX vehicle programs, accelerating success, reducing unnecessary costs, and ensuring flawless execution of vehicle programs. Lee will also play a key role in rapidly building the global supply chain team and further strengthening FX's overall global supply chain system. Over in the world of cybersecurity, SEALSQ announced that its SEALQuantum.com lab incubator is accelerating the journey of quantum startups from breakthrough research to scalable, market-ready products and solutions. The incubator combines deep technical expertise, global networks, and strategic investment to build the foundation of tomorrow's quantum industry. With the quantum market expected to reach $97 billion globally by 2035, SEALSQ's incubator is well-positioned to capitalize on this growth. The SEALQuantum.com lab provides a range of benefits to startups, including technical expertise, funding and growth pathways, visibility and credibility, scale-to-market support, and community and knowledge sharing. Startups selected for the program will have access to SEALSQ's post-quantum engineers and researchers, as well as opportunities for direct investment, strategic partnerships, or acquisitions. The incubator is part of SEALSQ's broader strategy to drive the convergence of quantum computing and cybersecurity, with a focus on developing practical solutions for advanced chip manufacturing and quantum-resistant security. One example of the incubator's activities is a partnership between SEALSQ, Colibri TD, and XDigit to develop a breakthrough solution for semiconductor wafer yields for sub-7 nanometer nodes. The solution leverages advanced mathematical modeling of IR drop and uses quantum computing's ability to solve complex partial differential equations. This development directly addresses the semiconductor industry's urgent need for innovation, as traditional methods falter at smaller nodes. SEALSQ's CEO, Carlos Moreira, said that the company's investment strategy is not just about funding innovation, but about accelerating the deployment of secure, intelligent systems that will define the future of digital infrastructure. The company is positioning itself at the forefront of the quantum AI revolution, with a focus on developing practical solutions for advanced chip manufacturing and quantum-resistant security. In addition to its incubator activities, SEALSQ has also announced a significant enhancement to its trusted INES PKI platform, which now includes secure code signing services designed to protect the integrity of firmware distributed across connected devices. This new capability positions INES as a future-proof trust infrastructure for manufacturers, needing to secure over-the-air OTA firmware updates in compliance with emerging global cybersecurity regulations. The upgraded INES platform offers a range of features including secure code signing authority, flexible signature algorithms, key and certificate lifecycle management, and compliance-ready trust policies. In the recycling realm, Comstock announced it has placed all purchase orders and paid deposits totaling $5.1 million toward the purchase of all equipment for its 100,000-ton per year, certified zero-landfill industry-scale solar panel recycling facility, to be located in Silver Springs, Nevada. The total purchase price for all the equipment is approximately $10.5 million, with an additional $1.5 million planned for expanded storage capacity, utility upgrades, and commissioning of the facility. The company has made significant progress in recent months, with its commercial demonstration facility operating for over 18 months and submitting permits for the industry-scale facility in November 2024. Comstock expects billable revenues to increase 8 times in 2025 compared to 2024, with projected revenues of over $3.5 million. It plans to expand and activate local county storage capacity, complete permitting for the industry-scale facility, secure additional master service agreements, and deploy and assemble plant and equipment during Q4 2025. Comstock's CEO, Corrado de Gasperis, stated that the company's equity offering represented a broad and deep representation of institutional investors, with proceeds dedicated to funding capital expenditures, operating expenses, and debt extinguishment. The company is rapidly deploying its industry-leading technology and customer solutions, with a strong balance sheet and growing partnerships. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.